Today we will talk about the NeoTonics. We products reviews. We have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying NeoTonics. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention to not make mistakes when using or purchasing NeoTonics. The first thing you need to know about NeoTonics is, be careful with the site you are going to buy because NeoTonics is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description and comment attached to this video. So what is NeoTonics and really works? And the answer is yes, NeoTonics works, and after many laboratory tests, medical researchers have recently identified that cell renewal is controlled by the intestine, its microbiome and nutrient absorption. Simply put, when your intestine begins to age, digestion and absorption of nutrients decrease. As a consequence, cell renewal slows down and your skin also begins to age. And with NeoTonics, it has a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help with cell renewal. And this is a continuous process of elimination of dead skin cells, and subsequently their replacement by younger cells. This essential process makes our skin look brighter and firmer, and eliminates fine lines and wrinkles faster. NeoTonics uses only 100% natural ingredients such as babchi, inulin and dandelion, bacillus coagulans, fenugreek, lemon balm, organic Ceylon ginger, slippery elm bark, organic lion's mane, fennel. And with this you will get the following benefits: increased skin rejuvenation, support in collagen production, fortified prebiotics, more quality of skin protection, modulates the intestinal microbiome, increases beneficial bacteria, skin hydration, antioxidant gain, firm skin, uninstructed pores, the multiplication of good bacteria, skin protection, protection against rashes, protected stomach lining, long-term anti-aging, repair of body tissues, and strong vitamins. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with NeoTonics. Even the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used NeoTonics, and you may have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test NeoTonics for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So be sure to use NeoTonics, but make sure you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for NeoTonics to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. We recommend that you take a probiotic gum per day for radiant skin and perfectly smooth digestion. Or you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. You can see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 months using this product. Also important to know, NeoTonics has no side effects as it is natural. So I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy NeoTonics, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope NeoTonics will really help improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here in this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.